There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Got something new which you'll probably never see again after this. My daughter's dropped some. Yeah, it's a Geekoto, I don't know, Geekoto, I don't know how to say it. Geekoto. It's tripod. It came in a black box, all sealed, and a bunch of plastic, and I took it all off because you know what? Yeah, it's fun to see unboxing. I just don't feel like playing with boxes in here, so I'm gonna open it up. I already looked at it. Bought it on Amazon, of course, because I couldn't find it cheaper anywhere else. It was on sale actually, so it wasn't the full horrific over $100 price. And comes with this nice tripod here. Look at that beautiful tripod. Comes with this extension and an Allen key, which I have no idea what to use it for. What are you staring at me for? Anyway, this tripod is really cool because, for one, if you flip it around this way, you flip it around, it comes with this velvet cover. You can flip it this way. You can put it right, like pretty much the lowest possible setting humanly possible in here. There we go. It can go this high. Let me adjust this. The cool thing about this tripod is I bought this thing separate, which actually, wait, I'll show you. If you unscrew this, this is another gadget that I bought from was it Ulanzi? This is a Ulanzi, what do you call it, gadget where it clicks in. I use on my camera. I have them on 3 tripods right now. They're about 20 bucks each. What I do is you screw them on here, and then you lock this one on here, like so, right? Allows me to quick connect whatever I feel like on there. And I don't know what I did with the other quick connector, but there's one around here somewhere attached to something, but I don't know where it went. I connected it to something. Where did it go? Let me show you. Let me show you. Hi. Where the hell's the other quick connect? I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Should probably edit that part out. Anyway, comes with these little quick connects, little piece. You just lock them in there, and whatever gadget you, camera, whatever you put on there. But anyway, the reason why I bought this tripod, is because it's really cool. It does something that I can really use. And if I put this up here, that right there is a Pexto shear. Oh, Pexto. Anyway, this, if you it has a 360-degree adjustable ball here. You can turn this, has the degrees on it, so you can get the, it has a little leveling thing here. It also, this goes up and down. The legs telescope out, but here's the cool part. If you take this and you run it through here, now I can do really insane camera shots. See, you can go like this and turn it. I bought it for this specific reason, because when I'm banging on my bench with a hammer, shit rolls around and falls off. And when you're trying to get just an overhead view of doing something on the vise or even on the lathe, the other things they were working okay, they just weren't working perfect. And I was like, should I spend 70 bucks? Well, I'm becoming a YouTube geek, so I figured why not, right? And this thing is pretty damn cool. I mean, it's solid aluminum. I mean, look, you can tilt it up like this. You can tilt this down like this. I mean, you can do aerial things with it. You can do all kinds of, it goes up, down this way. You can even reverse it. And apparently, if you want to make a, here, look, I'll show you why I'm doing camera mount reviews. Like I said, this is the last time you'll ever see this thing, because it'll be, apparently you can take this thing and, hold on. Yeah. It's all about preparation, folks. All right. So yeah, if you take this and this, let me turn this over here. Let me turn it over. Hold on. Come on. There we go. Come on. You can turn this upside down if you unlock the damn thing. Anyway, you can turn it upside down, and you can unlock this and put whatever's on here literally upside down if you want. So if you wanted to do this and then take the camera and also go like this and then like this, you literally can do a camera shot completely upside down. Like, it's ridiculous how many things this thing can do. Actually, yeah, see, you can put it all different ways. Also, one other feature that it has, how many minutes is this thing going? Quite a bit. Let's move this over here. Yeah. One other cool feature besides this telescoping feature here is this. You take this, actually move this out of the way, tighten it up. So like the village idiot here. One of the other interesting features is if you take this off here, you can take this off of here. And it comes an extra screw. So you put that down there and scratch the hell out of it. Take the extra screw in here, the bag, which is in here. Screw it in here like so. Come on, it's supposed to go down there. Wait, let me get this thing in there good. There we go. Yeah, it screws in there anyway. Screws in like so. Take this, and it's a monopod. Is it a monopod? You unscrew this part right here. Where is it? Yeah. Oh, come on. No, it doesn't want to cooperate. Of course, it doesn't want to cooperate. Yeah, is it on here? Unscrews. Where is it? Right here. One of these unscrews. Tighten this up. There we go. Turn this off here. Take this. You then can take your camera. Take your camera and extend it. This is how long it extends. It locks. It's all aluminum, and it's amazing. You can put your camera on a single tripod thing like this, which is really neat. Or like someone said, you can, use it as a walking stick and just walk around with your camera. Do I look like Mr. Outdoor Adventure? No. See? No outdoor adventure. But anyway, I bought it so I can get some weird shots for you guys, and instead of holding a camera and having some things bang on the bench, that's what I bought it for. Really cool. Check it out. Geekoto. It's X25 Defender, it's called. It's just a little suggestion. I know there's already reviews on this, but this is my review. It's awesome. It's really awesome. So, Heidi, you better go on Amazon and you better buy Arco one, because he needs like 3 or 4 of these for his garage. So I'm telling you, Arco, tell your wife to get you some of these. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out the channels on below. And also check out my daughter's channel. It's called Famous Kaya's Toys. We need some more subscribers. She loves doing this. So anyway, thanks a lot. I don't smile very much, so woohoo! Yeah!